Hi, this is Komal from EC Info Solutions. This episode is for CEOs and procurement heads who are tired of manual supply chain management but are terrified of letting an AI loose on their purchase orders. I'm talking to Shreyasi, co founder of EC, about how AI is changing procurement, not just as a cost saving function, but as a strategic one.
That's a great place to focus because procurement has always been critical. It just hasn't always had the tools to operate strategically. So, traditionally, procurement teams are measured on cost savings and compliance. They negotiate, manage suppliers, raise purchase orders, and try to avoid disruptions. AI changes that equation by giving procurement foresight, not just hindsight.
Most enterprises already run procurement through ERPs or sourcing platforms. So, the obvious question here is what does AI really add on top of that?
So, ERP systems are excellent record keepers, right? They tell you what you bought, from whom, and at what price. What they don't do very well is answer questions like which suppliers are becoming risky? Where are we quietly overpaying because market conditions changed? What happens if demand spikes or a supplier drops out next quarter? AI steps in exactly at that gap. It connects patterns across supplier performance, pricing history, contracts, logistics data, and even external signals, and starts answering what's likely to happen next.
So, is anyone actually doing this at scale?
Yes, and a very strong example comes from global logistics. Companies like Maersk deal with an impossible human problem. They negotiate thousands of freight contracts, many of them small, repetitive, and time sensitive. No human procurement team can manually negotiate all of those efficiently. So they have started using autonomous negotiation systems. And one well known example is Factom.
Autonomous negotiation sounds risky.
It sounds risky until you understand how it's designed. The AI is not free to do whatever it wants. Humans define very clear guardrails. For instance, we need this target price. We are flexible on payment terms. We cannot move on delivery timelines. These clauses are non negotiable. So, within those mathematical and policy boundaries, the AI negotiates directly with suppliers over email or chat, and at a scale no human team can match. The AI handles the long tail, thousands of smaller, repetitive negotiations, and humans focus on the top 5%. Strategic suppliers, complex contracts, sensitive relationships.
How does this translate to manufacturing procurement?
Very directly. In manufacturing, procurement teams deal with recurring component purchases, annual price revisions, logistics negotiations, contract renewals, supplier compliance checks. AI can assist across all of these. It can read contracts, understand clauses, flag risks, and even help negotiate within predefined limits. But, and this is critical, it must be governed. That's where enterprise grade AI differs from consumer tools.
Which brings us to security and control.
So, procurement data is some of the most sensitive data in any organization, right? Pricing, margins, supplier strategies, future sourcing plans. This is why serious procurement AI uses private LLMs, not public ones. The AI operates inside the company's secure environment. With role based access, audit trails, and strict boundaries, it becomes a trusted advisor, not a liability. Procurement moves from reacting to problems to anticipating them. Instead of discovering a supplier issue after a delay, AI flags early warning signals. Instead of negotiating everything manually, teams focus on what truly needs human judgment. So instead of cost control alone, procurement starts influencing resilience, continuity, and long term strategy.
If a CPO or CFO is listening and thinking, this sounds powerful, but where do we start? What would you say, Yashas?
I would say start small, but start intentionally. Pick one area where scale overwhelms humans, supply risk monitoring, contract analysis, or recurring negotiations. Define clear guardrails, deploy AI in a controlled private environment. Prove the value quickly, and then expand. The mistake is trying to automate everything at once, or worse, doing nothing because it feels complex.
So, the future of procurement isn't about squeezing suppliers harder. It's about making smarter decisions, earlier decisions, and at a scale humans alone can't manage. So, AI doesn't replace procurement, it finally gives it leverage. DM us for a 15-minute walkthrough of how we can power your procurement process using AI.